We are proud to introduce our full line of engine rebuild kits for our X3 model. Save time and money with our pre-assembled kits. We got everything from our master engine rebuild kits, complete refresh kits, we've got it all. We are the only ones in the industry that provide these kits for the X3s. So if you guys got a Can-Am X3 and it's time to upgrade or it's time to get yourself back on the trails, Rev 6 has got you. This is for the DIY guys. We've got every engine kit that fits your needs, specifically the X3s. We're actually one of the first shops out there to offer a complete rebuild kit for the X3 model. Each of our kits are assembled by our expert techs, so you get exactly what you need. Whether you're refreshing your engine or you guys need a complete overhaul, we've got you covered. Whether you're just doing a quick breakdown and want to try to get back out on the trail as cheap as possible, or if you need a master kit and you want to overhaul your whole engine, we've got that kit available for you. We've got them for every X3 model available. We've got them for the turbo RRs and everything. We've got a huge line of engine rebuild kits available. So we've got our standard master kit, complete rebuild kit. We've got our refresh kits available. A lot of our X3 kits are going to include a huge variety of upgraded parts. So we've got our upgraded Forged Nitrite one-piece valves we're doing. We've got our Rev 6 pistons, which the Rev 6 pistons that we offer have a higher amount of silica content in them. So they got better expansion rates in factory, hard anodized top, moly coating for the initial break-in. We run our RAK rings on those, which is a graphite coated ring. We've got our forged cranks, connecting rods available for these. We've got all of our main bearings, which are high coated bearing that we use. We've got our complete top end rebuild kits available, which are going to include all your top end gaskets that you need. It's going to include our pistons. Now here's the sweet thing about these. We don't just have standard size pistons. We've actually got our 0.5 over pistons. We got our 1 millimeter over pistons. So if you guys need to bore over your top end, have a local machine shop, or want to send it us for the work, we can go up to 1 millimeter over. Give us a call, visit our website, and let's upgrade your X3 today. Get back on the trail with Rev 6.